all these common things. Your sugars are high. Nobody, and they could see for themselves in front of their eyes how you, based on how you look, in terms of your skin and your hair, and because certain
The
things you
good
can.
ones can. The good ones can
Oh,
look and see
okay.
how your body language says, your eyes, your skin, what you say, the story you give. But that's the problem is many doctors, they lack that communication, that ability to dive deep and ask the right questions to get
Right.
the answers they need
Right.
before prescribing medicines. And that's the biggest thing is that, so what questions should your doctor be asking before prescribing 80 medications? And to start with the first one, I mean, it really has to begin with your favorite of all.
What you ate in the last 24 hours, what you ate in the last week. And I
A
think,
year, 10 years.
yes, and I think a lot of people need to be reconditioned to document what they're eating from the moment they start having that pain. I mean, I always document what I eat every day. So I could look back for myself and see what went wrong. But also when I see it on paper, I know it's like, oh, no, 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 I can't go that far over that way or that way. I have to, it's a it's a self-correcting thing for me. But document what you're eating, and when you go to your doctor's office, and if your doctor is asking these questions, then you have the information right there in front of you. Okay, well, on to yesterday, I ate X, Y, and Z. Day before yesterday, I ate X, Y, and Z.
Yeah, well, that's taking full responsibility for your health, and that is the way to go. That's what
Yeah.
we teach our clients, take full responsibility for it. A lot of times, though, you will not get that question, and so
No.
you want it. They should dive deep in, just say, hey, well, tell me about your diet. And you say, oh, I relatively healthy. What does healthy mean? Healthy means
Yes.
so many different things to different kinds of people because,
Yes.
believe it or not, you can think you're eating healthy by just doing a carnivore diet. Well, the problem with that is that you do that for a long period of time, liver issues, kidney issues can happen, and furthermore, you can develop osteoporosis because of the acid that builds up in your body, and your body tries to buffers it out. So that's a root cause of osteoporosis besides some kind of medicine, some injectable or pill.
Just pulling it out. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
no matter what it is you
They
go in for, the first question needs to be around diet
What you're eating
and drinking.
and what you're not eating. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's number one.
Okay.
Number two is,
My favorite.
I thought food was your favorite.
Yeah, food is my favorite because I know how to cook and meal plan.
Yeah.
But my favorite is sleep. Sleep is very important. And growing up, it was never, pushed that sleep is so critical to your health. Nobody ever made the connection. And now it's like trying to re-educate people that sleep is extremely important. And if you don't make it a priority, it can create a lot of problems. Hello, anxiety. Hello, depression, right?
Yeah. And a simple question, well, tell me about your sleep patterns. What time you go to bed? What time do you wake up? Do you sleep with a cell phone in your room? Do you sleep with pets in your bed? Is your room completely dark? What's the temperature of your room? Are there any kind of lights? Do you sleep alone? Do you snoring? Do you wake up with headaches? Do you wake up with sore jaw? So many different questions you can start diving deep into. And that is what you want to hear from your doctor when you go in and have a check.
Yeah, yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Good questions.
I try to be a good doctor. I really
It's appreciated.
do. Yeah.
What's another one?